Assalamualaikum, Rabbi Ali, Sadri Vaisili, Amri Wahaluk Tamil Sani. I am from Pakistan basically. I live 22 years in Karachi. At this time, our village, Gilgit, Baltistan is Kardu. This area name, this town name is Hassan Colony. We are living here. I come from before, I think 2 weeks ago from Saudi Arabia. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine here. I'm very happy with my family in Iskardu. You see backside me, this is our area, our land. I like some these types of land. We are very happy. Therefore, coming and season, winter season close and coming season I speak in Urdu, season Bahar coming here. You see backside of me apricot trees and white trees, these types of trees, many trees available here in our land. You see maybe right left our land at this time growing weeds starting here. Inshallah, after 4 5 days we put in water here in our land. Inshallah, day by day upgrade our this seeds from land. Alhamdulillah, this is the work, originally work from the law of God. Okay, you see around me different type of trees, one type 45 trees, apples trees and other different fruit trees. Alhamdulillah, we are fine here. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel.